Do you know shoebill is the most terrifying bird in the world? When the sound of the shoebill reaches your ears, it's like a rapid-fire machine gun. This bird is tall. With a typical on average, it stands anywhere from 110 to 140 centimeters or 43 to 55 inches. But some of these birds go beyond that and reach a staggering 152 centimeters or 60 inches. Now, when we measure from the tip of its tail to the end of its beak, it can range from 100 to 140 centimeters or 39 to 55 inches. And when this bird spreads its wings, the wingspan can stretch from 230 to 260 centimeters or 7 feet 7 to 8 feet 6 inches. But no need to worry. The shoebill stork won't pose a threat to humans. Instead, it will just meet your gaze with its intense death stare.